Hi friends, this is Tilak from Tilak Media Tech. Today we are going to learn how to create a time warp Instagram reel filter which was going to be trend or viral on your Instagram. So this channel is basically about the Instagram tips and YouTube tips, Instagram filters, etc. If you find this topic interesting, if you are new to this channel, just click on the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon too. So you can create a nice effect like this. I just going to teach how to create this type of effect. So just move on to the video. So open your Instagram and click on the plus symbol on the top and click on the Reels tab and just select the effect option and swipe right and click on the browse effect. Here click on the top search option and just type as time warp. So here the second, third and fourth filter was so amazing, so I just preferably choosing a third filter. So just try it. There will be a sound, I just mute it. You can, because I'm just posting in the YouTube, there might be a copyright issue, so I just muted that sound. So there is a two option. If you are having VFX like from this side, or if we are having a VFX from this side, so I just choose this side, just making a VFX from this side. Try it option and clicking on it. So you can make a VFX like this. It was so amazing, I can just say it. So you can create your own by your creativity. So these are some options that I have been creating. So you can create this time warp. Using this time warp, you can create your own idea and you can make a trending or viral Instagram reel. So if you are new to this channel, just follow my Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe below, because you can watch more about the Instagram tips, YouTube tips, etc. So in this channel, and we will meet on the next video with a valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tilak Media Tech.